schedule has been suspended because warnings have recently been issued for parts of your listening area. These warnings and statements will play next. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north central Texas, southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, southern Cook County in north central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albert, or 10 miles north of Decatur, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crum around 5:15 p.m. Sanger around 5:20 p.m. Denton, where Roberts Park Kyle B. Dubois, and where Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ponder and Valley View. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 488. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 80 and 85. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 461 and 466. For your protection, stay inside a sturdy structure and keep away from windows. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.